The Presto Visibility pane offers a new and improved way to control what is displayed in your design space. It is split into three main sections: Layers, Nets, and Display. The Layers section enables comprehensive control of design layers on the canvas. All the layers are categorized and split into subsections, making them easier to find and edit. Left-clicking on a visibility box will toggle the visibility of that object, while right-clicking will display a color picker, and visibility can also be toggled by group. The Objects and Areas section is the most common category for managing visibility, and the Object Matrix enables precise control of visibility for stack-up layers. Rows and columns can be toggled by selecting their header, and additional object columns can be enabled with the filter at the top. For example, we can turn on the visibility for DRC errors on all layers by selecting this box. To quickly assign a color to a whole column or row, simply assign the color to its corresponding header. For a quick out-of-the-box color setup, right-click on the All Visibility box and select Rainbow Up or Down for the system to assign colors to all of your conductor layers. The Nets section controls the visibility of Rat's Nest and color overrides for nets. Each subsection can be expanded or collapsed, and clicking the Rat's Nest icon on any subsection or individual net will toggle the visibility. Net colors can also be assigned by clicking on the color override box. Likewise, try shift-clicking or control-clicking multiple nets, right-click, and assign a custom color. Finally, this Nets section can also be used for some basic navigation by right-clicking on any object and selecting Select on Canvas. The third section, Display, controls general visibility and opacity options that apply to all objects in the design. Users can control how and where net labels are displayed, as well as the color of general design objects, like drill markers and alignment lines. Users can also toggle shadow mode to bring more focus on active objects, or control the general opacity of the design with sliders or manual entry. These are especially useful in multi-layer PCB design. Finally, toggle the 2D or 3D display to turn on the 3D viewer in Presto. The Display tab will now have new options for the 3D canvas, like controlling the projection mode, opacity sliders for general objects, and bending sliders for rigid flex design visualization. Switching to 3D mode will also enable a fourth component option for controlling the visibility of 3D models and extrusions. At the top, select whether you want 3D step models, extrusions from placebound or DFA layers, or a combination of the three to be displayed. Component visibility can be toggled individually or by subsection, and multiple objects can be selected by selecting, then shift-clicking the range of objects desired. Then simply right-click and apply a command to all selected objects. Switching back to the 2D view will hide the Component Visibility tab.